This garage erected is an apex roof garage, vertical up and over door, supplied by Hormann. The customer has gone with PVC fascias to make the building maintenance free. The guttering and downpipes on this, they've actually put the downpipes to the front on this one due to the customer's request. As we walk around, there you see the Hormann up and over door, powder coated in white. Spar chippings on the front post as standard, so this is a totally standard building. Customer decided not to have any side door or window. We actually put the base down for this building as well, and as you look at the top there, the Profile 5 cement fibre roofing sheets with a 30-year warranty, all delivered